Hey everybody, I'm Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and today I have an Amazon wig unboxing of $19 wigs that I purchased from Amazon. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Okay everybody, I'm back. I have in my hand a box of wigs from Amazon. They are $19 wigs. I think they were actually $18.99, and I'll be sure to drop a link down there if any of you all want to look at this. But we're going to unbox them. I'm going to try them on here on camera and give you a review, just a quick little review as I pull them out of the box. So y'all bear with me. I still have a little bit of laryngitis left over from when I was so sick last week. So I'm trying to get past that and move on into this today. And I'm also in my office where I make my videos. I have no air conditioning upstairs this week. My air conditioning unit went out. I'm waiting on the heat and air people to come up, and it's about 80 degrees in here, so this is probably going to be a real quick video. The first wig that I'm going to pull out is by Kayliss. Can you all see that? I hope you can. And this is, I don't know which one was which with these wigs, so just going to try to open it up, see what we've got. A couple of the wigs that I ordered were rooted wigs. This is a brown wig, curly, because I wanted a little something to wear, maybe something that I would wear, you know, every day. This wig, let's look at the construction of it. This is a lace top wig, not a lace front, but a lace top, and it has the open mesh, like most of the wigs from Amazon do, most of these cheap wigs. This one doesn't have a wig number on it, but yes, it does right here on the back. It says X00AP0XSJ. Kayliss dark brown for women, made in China. So let me give her a good shake. I'm gonna pop her on my head and we'll see how this looks. Now, it's probably gonna be really sticky in here because it's really hot. So let's go with this and see where this goes. Let me find the tabs here on the side. Pop her on my head. Okay, this wig is a bigger wig. So if you have a larger head, this wig will probably fit you. I ordered this one so that I could have something to maybe actually wear around town, wear out. I wanted something that was a little darker because I've went a little darker with my red. And I thought this might be a good fix. Right off the bat, this wig is big. This is a large wig. This wig is too big for my head. If I keep this wig, I will actually have to, I'll have to size this wig because it's way too big for me. So let's just look at it for a minute and let me just give you my initial reaction. I'm not crazy about this hairline, to be honest with you. I think the hairline is a little obviously wiggy. I might be able to mess with it with a steamer and get some of that out and make it, straighten it out just a little bit. But I've got to say, both the texture and the look of this wig, I really don't like this wig. This is probably one of the first wigs I've gotten from Amazon that I really can honestly say I will not wear this wig. I think this wig is a little, I think the hairstyle is a little dated. It doesn't really look a whole lot like it did in the picture. And the wig is large. Now, I'm not going to judge it by that because, I have a small head and I know that most wigs, right out of the box don't fit me. I have to mess with them a little bit, but I'm not real I'm not crazy about this wig. I don't like the way it's styled. I might be able to mess with it and get it to do something else, but this is probably a wig that I will donate. I'm not a fan of this wig. So on to the next one. Let's get that one off my head and go on to the next one. The next one is, I'm not sure who this is by, WI Wigs. And this is a red wig, and I believe this one is a 3/4 wig. I think this is like for like a fall, because I ordered one of these, and I believe this is it. So let's just get it out. Let's look at it, see how it looks. I wanted something that I could, mess with just a little bit. This one's made the same way. It's got a little lace front. Nope, this is not a fall. This is an actual full head wig. This is a curly wig. I wanted a little curly wig, and this is it. So let me pop this on my head and we'll see how this one looks. The top, I just now noticed, the top has got a little bit of a part. So that looks kind of natural. So I'm going to go in eventually and I will pluck some of these hairs out, put a little bit of concealer on there to make it look just a little bit more natural. This wig actually feels pretty good. It feels like human hair. The last one didn't really have a very good feel to it at all. The hair felt very coarse. Now, on to this wig. I really like the color. I like the curl. The hair is very soft on this wig. I'm a little, the bangs are a little long, but I believe that this can be, I believe I can fix this one and make it look a little more natural. This one kind of puts me a little bit in mind of that beachy blonde wig that I have as far as the construction of the part and everything else. And I kind of like this wig. I think this wig has potential. I think there's several things I could do with this wig, and I really like the fact that it has that part. Now this wig is a little smaller than that wig, than the other wig, but this wig does fit my head a little bit better. I think with just a little clip of the scissors here and there, I think I can wear this wig and I think it will fit. I think this would be a good wig for me to wear just, you know, out to dinner or just messing around town or something, or even to work. I would probably wear this, you know, on a day as in the life of an insurance agent. So all in all, not a bad wig. I would recommend this wig. I like the feel of it. I like the color of it. I like everything pretty much about this wig. It fits really good. Okay, so I had to take the wig off my head for just a second because I had a little coughing fit, and I was afraid that might happen with it being so hot up here and with me trying on these wigs one after another. So I have one other wig that we're going to try today, and this is another wig by Kayliss, and I hope this is a better wig. I have purchased wigs by Kayliss before, and I've been happy with them. But I've got to say, that brown wig, I'm not real happy with it. This is the rooted wig. I was confused about which wig was which. As you can see, it's a little darker here at the crown. This one doesn't appear to have a part. But I wanted a little bit longer wig because I haven't had long hair in years, and I thought, well, let me just try a blonde wig, a long wig, and we'll just see what this looks like. And as I said before, I'll drop a link to all these wigs down in the description so you can go online and look at them. This one is constructed, well, wait just a second. No, it isn't constructed like the other ones. When I put it on, I could feel these little combs. There's combs in here, which that's always nice. There's two of them right here at the crown. So this makes it more secure and it helps the wig to stay in place a little bit easier. So I'm going to try to clip this on and we're going to see how this goes. This wig, if you have a larger head, this wig will fit you. This is a larger wig. The hair feels really good on the wig, and I would have to get in here and mess with it a little bit with the hair because me and long hair we have issues. I'm just going to say I have never had long hair since I was a kid, and I really don't know what to do with it, so I have to mess with it a little bit. But here is this long blonde wig. Now, I think, just right off the bat, there's too much hair in this wig. And I don't know if you guys have, buy inexpensive wigs. And if you do, you will notice that most of them come with way too much hair and you have to go in with your thinning shears and thin them out. The reason for that is in a more expensive wig, the hairs are hand inserted when you've got a little bit more expensive wig. These are not. These are machine made wigs, and they put the hair in just right as it comes off the row, and they don't do anything to customize the wig. This wig would definitely have to be customized a little bit because the wig is just simply too much hair. But I'm not a fan of how I particularly look in this wig, but I do like the fact that this wig feels really good. And I believe that I might be able to do something very much like this with the wig, and maybe even do like a little twist with a little flip in the back. And I think it would look okay, and I think it would look fine if I did something like that and maybe put a headband or something on it, or a head wrap to make it look a little bit better. So there are my 3 wigs that I just purchased from Amazon. I hope you've had a good time with this today. I certainly have. This has been fun. Hope you have a wonderful day today. God bless. Maranatha.